Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we will show you how to use Voice Memos app on iPhone. The Voice Memos app is a free app on iPhones that lets you record audio, sound and save it to your device and share it with others. The Voice Memos app on an iPhone has many benefits. It can be used as a portable recording device to capture audio for personal notes, lectures, musical ideas, and many more. You can also adjust the pitch and speed and apply filters and effects. For personal, educational, and professional purposes, Voice Memos app is tremendously helpful. Now let's see how we can use Voice Memo app on an iPhone. So first, open the Voice Memo app as you can see in the screen. Tap the red record button, record your audio, and tap done for saving the recordings. So that's how you're gonna record audios on Voice Memo app, and that's how you're going to use Voice Memo app for better recordings. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.